So today we are going to talk about the very famous topic of endocrine system. Yes, endocrine system is a network of glands that associated with each other with a ductless system. Okay, ductless system, it means there is no duct present and it actually releases those chemical messenger called hormones directly into the blood. So you can see here there are lots of hormones that is described. So in your class 10 board examination, this is the short questions that will going to come in your examination, and the short questions or the 5 marks question is basically based on your hormones part. Okay, so let me start with a very common example. Can we start from here? Yes. From in the head, basically, the pituitary gland is a very important gland that actually controls the release of the other hormones. Yes, that's why it is called as the master gland. Now we will talk about the neck part. The neck region has the thyroid gland. Iodine is essential for the release of thyroxine hormone. Yes, just behind the thyroid gland, there is another hormone you can see in the figure that I am attaching. Parathyroid gland. Parathyroid gland basically regulates the calcium level in your blood. Okay, and the next in your stomach area, the pancreas is called as the mesocrine gland because it releases the duct part through the pancreatic juice. Okay, and also the pancreatic hormones. Okay, what is the pancreatic hormones? Through the islets of Langerhans, pancreas releases 2 hormones. That is very important. It also releases total of 3 hormones, but I'm talking about only for the 2 hormones. The 2 hormones are the glucagon and the insulin. The glucagon basically increases the blood glucose level in your blood, and the insulin actually working antagonist to it by decreasing the blood glucose level, right? And you need to comment down that what happened when the insulin is not work properly in your body, which kind of disease will take place. Okay, we'll talk about the next one is very important, that lies just above the kidney called as adrenal gland. As you can see, this adrenal gland releases adrenaline hormone, and this adrenaline hormones is basically having a role in the stress nervous excitements, because this hormone is also called as fight and flight hormone. Okay, so the last one is a reproductive organ. Yes, reproductive organ do releases hormones. Okay, in the female body, the ovaries releases the 2 hormones, estrogen and the progesterone, as you can see, that actually regulates the menstrual cycle and also the pregnancy. The next one is the testes. Yes, testes in the male actually releases male sex hormone called as testosterone. So I really hope you like the revision part within the 2 minutes. So if you want to join the full class and the free demo class, you can join here. So the next time you think you are feeling hungry, stressed, nervous, so it means your endocrine system is working very well.